Hello friends, in previous time when I was in my childhood, I used to see people speaking the Arabic language because they are living in a country where the national language is different, but they were speaking the Arabic language. I was astonished that how they are speaking the Arabic language, because Arabic is not their national language, but they are speaking the Arabic language. I was astonished at that time, because those people were staying in Arabic speaking countries for job for 2 or 3 years, for 5 years. When they used to come back in their home countries, they used to speak the local sentences of Arabic language, not thoroughly, but at that time we were astonished to see them while speaking the Arabic language. Then when after some years I started learning English language, and I was astonished that for speaking the English language or any other language, reading or writing is not necessary, as the listening is necessary. Listening is much necessary than all other things if you want to speak the language. Because those people were living in Arabic speaking countries for 5 years, for 6 years, and they were in that environment for years, and they imbibed the things, the language of that country, and they are able to speak the language just by listening. So from there, I thought that listening is important. If you want to speak the English language, listen more and more on daily basis. You can listen podcast, YouTube videos in English language. When you will improve your listening power, then I think it will be easy for you to speak the language. Because if I give you the example that small babies, when they listen for 1 year, and after 1 year they start talking broken sentences, broken words, and after that they speak fluently very good language, that national language which they were listening, mother tongue you can say. So you know that babies never read or write, they just listen and imbibe the environment, the language which is spoken around them, and then they start speaking the same language. So from this example you can note that listening is too much important for speaking. When you improve the listening skill, then after the turn comes of reading or writing. Important thing is that first of all listen, then try to speak. Without speaking, just listening is not enough. You will have to speak with your friends, with your family member. If you don't find any kind of friend or family member around you with whom you can speak yourself. You speak to yourself, monologue. You can make English language videos, check them, and you can note your mistakes. In next time you will try to correct those mistakes. In this way, I think that you will speak good English in next time. So improve your listening skill. Listen more and more videos or podcast, and then read, write. In this way, you will improve your English language. Hope these tips will help you to improve your English language. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.